Welcome to next video in the C tutorials. In this video, we are going to see the size of operator. So now, when you use this size of operator, it will show that the amount of space that is going to use in the memory. So when you see the program, you will get the clear idea of the size of operator. So before that, let us see the syntax first. Syntax of this like size of this bracket. So this is the syntax of this size of operator. So let us see the small program to get the idea on the size of operator. Like I want to print that the amount of space that is going to use of int data type. So for that I am giving here like size of integer. So I want to know the amount of space that is going to use on this int data type. So for that, here I am giving size of in this bracket I am giving data type int. So when I give like this, it is going to print the compiler using the amount of space in the memory of int data type. If I run this, you can see here the size of integer is 4, means in the memory location for int data type it is going to use 4 locations, or you can say 4 bytes of memory. Otherwise you can give your direct integer number like 1. I am going to use integer, so that is also going to print. So the integer number 1 is using 4 bytes of memory or 4 locations of memory. We declare a variable of int data type like this. You can give directly here. So this a variable is type of int data type, like size of a variable. So you can see here. So now the size of a is 4. I want to test some other data types, like I want to see the amount of space of float data type. So if I run the program, you can check out here. So it is going to use only 4 bytes of memory. So character type I am using here character data type. So if I run this, you can see here it is going to use only 1 byte of memory. Also we can check for other data types also, like here I am giving double data type. Sorry, here we need to enter here. So I am declaring data type like double. So you can see the amount of space that is going to use a variable of double data type in the memory. So it is going to use 8 bytes of memory.